My name is Brian Bollinger, and I started Simply Safe Dividends in 2015. I'm excited to show you how our site can help you generate safer income and reduce risk by making better informed investment decisions. Let's start with our portfolio tracker. After syncing or manually entering your portfolio, you'll find metrics and reports you can use to keep your investments aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Beginning with the Dividend Safety Report, most of our members rely on dividends to help fund retirement now or in the future. We take that seriously and have the only dividend safety scores backed by a real-time track record. Our analyst-powered scores predict a company's dividend risk and have avoided 97% of dividend cuts since 2015. Your Dividend Safety Report breaks out your overall income stream into different risk buckets using our scores. As a conservative investor, I'd look to replace any holdings with unsafe or very unsafe scores to reduce my risk of dividend cuts. The other reports include your portfolio's diversification to make sure you aren't overly exposed to any sector or company. You can check if your portfolio's dividend growth rate meets your expectations. You'll know exactly who's paying you, when, and how much, including daily and monthly schedules, and much more. A great part of our tracker is that you don't even have to log in to get value. In your newsfeed, you'll find events that will email you about right away. That includes when any holdings change their dividends and whenever we publish research on your holdings or change their dividend safety scores. Nothing will slip through the cracks. The crown jewel of our portfolio tracker is the holdings table. You can pick from over 30 column options to customize this table view just how you want it. Everything from payout ratios, yield on cost, PE ratios, and dividend taxation is available. You can even change the order of the columns, and the table's headers are sticky, so you always know what you're looking at as you scroll the page. All U.S. stocks, funds, bonds, and CDs are trackable, and data updates in near real time. You can maintain unlimited portfolios and holdings too. When you want to go deeper on a holding or an idea, our stock pages will save you research time and help you make better informed decisions. Looking at Johnson & Johnson, we can quickly tell if this idea interests us based on the stock's dividend safety score, its dividend history, and how attractive the stock's yield looks compared to its 5-year trading range. If you decide to dig further, scrolling down the page will show you our research notes on the company. You'll get a closer look at the firm's dividend growth history, whether the stock's valuation looks attractive based on historical yields and PE ratios, and the most important financial charts, including helpful definitions so you know why each metric matters and what to look for. Finding ideas is also easy with our site. Our stock screener contains 24 metrics with many unique dividend fields to help you pinpoint ideas that fit your portfolio. We also have a screener for closed-end funds with unique fields covering performance, leverage, NII coverage, and more. Additionally, we have curated stock lists you can browse for ideas, and our monthly newsletter contains 3 model portfolios to sift through. Finally, to stay informed on the broader world of dividends, the latest page will show you all the research we publish as well as notable dividend changes across our coverage. Together, this creates a powerful one-stop shop that is trusted by thousands of income investors. Thank you for watching, and feel free to email me if you have any questions. I appreciate your interest.